It is better to have true love and sex with only one woman rather than banging your face all over the place. Then you will spend your life happily. A woman will have sexual intercourse again and again with the same man who can calm the heat of her vagina. If you like someone in life, don't just love that person, because love ends, but love never ends. People often say that if we stay alive we will meet, but a friend has said it well, that if we keep meeting we will remain alive. After all, why are people like this? When they have to talk about what they want, they talk so well, and when it doesn't make sense, they change their style. Men enjoy sex more with a woman who has large breasts. To fully stimulate a woman's vagina during intercourse, it is very important to touch her thighs. People often say that if we stay alive we will meet, but a friend has said it well, that if we keep meeting we will remain alive. A woman never leaves a man who satisfies her sexual desires. There is a lot to be achieved in life, but we count that which could not be achieved. When a man and a woman have sexual intercourse, the woman ultimately wins. Women are more satisfied with men who have sex with women with great force and passion. Always keep those people who stoop to any extent for your sake, because they not only respect you but also love you. A man enjoys a lot while having sex with a woman who has big breasts. Always cherish a person who has given you these three gifts: companionship, time and dedication. Nature has created the penis and vagina in such a way that even the smallest penis has the ability to touch every corner of the vagina. Even a small penis can completely satisfy a woman. Those who break the heart of a true person and go to a third person to seek happiness often get cheated. In the whole world, Indian women like to have sex in the dark the most. People do evil and you become sad. People praise you and you become happy. Meaning the thread of your happiness and sorrow is in the hands of people. Try that this thread is in your hands only. When a man has sex with a woman by turning her into a mare, both of them get extreme pleasure during sex. A woman gets naked and has physical relations only when she gets a chance to have relations with the man of her choice. If you don't have the right words for a situation, just smile, because words can confuse, but a smile always works. Psychology says that a man who does not have lust cannot do anything in his life. Women think about orgasm 20 to 30 times in 24 hours. A person changes house, changes clothes, changes relationships, still remains unhappy, because he does not change his nature. According to psychology, women with extended and wide vaginas always keep wandering in search of sexual intercourse. When water is dirty, do not stir it, rather leave it calm, so that the dirt settles down on its own. Similarly, when problems arise in life, instead of getting restless, think calmly. You will definitely find a solution. Women are crazy about men who keep staring at their breasts. A woman who has a strong desire for sexual intercourse always looks for a stranger so that her vagina can be satisfied. If you want to be good, then be good in the eyes of your parents and God. What about the people of the world? They will be jealous of your progress and laugh at your failure too. Women like to have sex more than men, and they also want to have sex, but are not able to tell anyone. If you are not talking to someone for a long time, then call or message him and ask him whether he is alive or dead. If he is alive, then believe me that you are dead for him. Men who always think about sex are never able to satisfy their partner. No problem is big. It seems big to us only when there is no one to say, "Don't worry, I am here." When not aroused, the depth of the vagina is 3 to 4 inches, and after excitement its depth is 5 to 7 inches. She goes. A woman becomes anxious for sex when her menstrual cycle starts. Sadness is when you change yourself for someone, and yet you are the one who is ignored. Psychology says that when a woman takes off her clothes in front of you, remember that she also takes off her respect. Women who cross the age of 40 ejaculate more easily than women under 40. Human nature is also very strange, sir. He even runs after that which was not his. According to psychology, after repeated sexual intercourse, it takes less time for women to ejaculate than the previous time. Don't do so much wrong to a good person that you have to regret the betrayal for the rest of your life. When a man has sex with a woman in doggy position, the woman's sexual excitement reaches its peak and she enjoys intercourse more. Don't panic if something goes wrong in life, because only those people panic when milk curdles who don't know how to make cheese. The vagina of a woman who has hair around her vagina is very attractive, and the vagina of such a woman is very tight, and when a man has intercourse with her, she is not satisfied quickly. Psychology says, the biggest power in the world is the youth and beauty of a woman. Do you know that with increasing age, sexuality also increases rapidly in women? This is the only lesson I have learned in the journey of life. Only someone gives support and everyone is ready to push. According to psychology, a person spends about 2 weeks of his entire life in kissing. According to psychology, men shake more than women. Most women believe that people from Spain, Brazil and Italy are the best lovers, while British people are the laziest. Men like to have sex with women younger than them and women with men who are older than them.